Hey guys, it's Keeper, and today I'm going to teach you how to fold a origami stand designed by Nakashima, and I'm going to teach it to you today. So what it does is you place the cube right here and it stands like that. So first you want to start with a 3-inch square of paper, and you want to fold this corner to this corner right here. Make sure to line it up really precisely and crease sharply. Make sure like that. So you want to unfold and you want to fold this corner to this point right here. Just like this. Not crease. So now you want to unfold. Now you see there's an X right here, and then in the middle of the X, there's a point right there. So I can just, so you want to fold this edge to this center point right here, while this edge aligns with this edge right here. So what I mean is you want to fold it up to that point. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, right? And then this edge right here has to line up with this. So if you kind of like push it down, this thing is overlapping this. So you want to kind of move it over like that, and then it's aligned with that crease. Now this part will also be aligned. So now you want to fold it up a little bit to the center point, and you want to fold only on this part. So see this where this diagonal ends? That's where you want to start folding to the left, and then stop where the other diagonal ends too. Just like that. And crease sharply, and you want to unfold. Now you see there's a crease between these two diagonals. So you want to rotate and do it to the other 3 parts. Like this. Match it up and fold. Like that. Now you want to unfold and you want to repeat to the next one. And you want to do it to the last time. So now you see there's this tinier square right here, right? So now you want to flip it over, and you want to pinch this part, the 2 corners. You just want to pinch 2 corners, and you want to push them together so they line exactly together, right? Now you want to fold right here. So this part is not folded yet, so you just kind of want to push it down. So now it's folded. Make sure to crease. So you want to open it up and crease it. And now you want to fold this bottom edge to this crease right there. So lift it up and fold it to that crease. So now you want to sink this part. So you want to hold this part, and you want to kind of like push it down like this. So I'm putting my thumb right there, my middle finger right there. So I'm gonna kind of push. See, it's kind of like a volcano. You wanna push. Push. It's okay if it looks kind of messy. So you wanna kind of pinch on this part. Like that. And then you want to pinch on this part and pinch on this part. So pinch on all of them, and now you see it kind of sink. But first you want to push it in, then you want to do it. Don't just push it and pinch it before you even push it in. So now you made a stand. So this origami stand it fits well with a tiny cube, a bigger one, like that, and origami one. This one's also designed by Nakashima. So now I'm going to teach you how to fold this one right here. Now I'm going to teach you how to fold this cube right here, seamless cube by Nakashima. And so you want to start white side up, but I don't have a white. So I'm going to start blue side up. And you want to fold this corner to this corner here. But don't actually fold. When you fold, you just want to make a pinch mark. So line it up and make a little pinch mark right over here. Now you want to unfold. Now you want to fold this corner to the pinch mark, crease mark that we just made. Move it up a little bit. And make another pinch mark. Don't fold the whole entire thing, just make a little pinch mark. Come on. Yeah. Now you want to fold from this point to this corner right here. So what you want to do is you want to kind of do this. So it's like that. So you want to actually fold this time. So just make like a little fold like this. Like a little fold right here. And then you want to try to match it with that. So you kind of want to adjust it, like adjust it, like move it around. See when it hits this point. And when it finally hits that point, you can actually flatten it. Make a little adjustment. It's okay if it's a little off. Now you want to crease like that. Okay, now you want to unfold and you want to fold this corner to this corner right here. But when you fold, don't fold the whole entire thing. So see that? So let me like move this side. So see this crease that we just made? If you fold it in half, the crease is visible. So if you like line this up, you see the crease is right over there. So you want to only pinch on that part. Like pinch on that part. So it's like that. Now you say you made a little pinch mark, so there's an X from here to here. So that's good. Now you want to rotate and you want to fold this edge to this X mark we just made. And while you do that, you want this edge to line up with this edge. Like that. So, look at the X mark. I'm going to use a pen and I'm going to draw an X mark. Because you may not see where it is. So it's from here to here. That's where it is. And fold it up to that X mark. And you want to fold the whole entire part this time. Not just a pinch mark, but you want to fold the whole entire part. Now you want to unfold. Now you want to fold this edge to this crease right here. Make sure it lines exactly to the crease. And crease sharply. Now you want to unfold, rotate, and you want to fold this edge right here to this crease. So the first crease that we just made. Well, the most recent crease. So now if you unfold, you see you have fourths, but they're not equally. So you want to try, so we're making fit. So you want to fold this edge to this part right here. So now you see we made fifths. Okay? Now you want to rotate and you want to fold this part to this crease right here. Well, the X mark that we made before. So fold it up like that so it hits. And then you want to make sure this edge aligns with this edge. If it doesn't, just move it over a little bit. And you want to fold the whole entire thing. So we're making a 5x5 grid. Unfold and fold this edge to this part. Crease that we just made. Uncrease, then you unfold. Now rotate and fold this edge to this crease that we just made. Make sure it aligns. Really sharply. Now you want to unfold and fold this part to the crease. So now we made 5. If you unfold, now we made a 5 by 5 grid. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to rotate and you want to fold. You want to make X right there. So you want to fold it like this. So it's like this. So this edge aligns with this part. And so it's like that. And you want to pinch till this part right here. So you want to pinch. So it's like that. Now you want to do the exact same thing, but on this square right there. So you want to line it up, and you want to pinch right over there, like this. Okay, now you want to fold this corner to this corner right here. So line this up with this part, and then pinch and crease. So it's like that. Now you want to do the exact same thing with the other part. So line it up, folds it up to that part, and then crease. So now we made X marks, right? So now you want to rotate and you want to repeat the exact same thing on this part, this side. Okay, so do this, right? And then unfold and do this part. Fold this, and then repeat by doing this right over there. Okay, now you want to flip it over, and you want to make a pleat up to this part. So you want to like hold it up right here, and you want to fold it onto that crease right there. So like that. So let me zoom. Well, I'm gonna make it. So what we did is we pinched this part, we moved it up onto that crease, and then we crease. So this is the back, this is the front. Now you want to take this next crease and you want to do the exact same thing, but you want to do on to the bottom. So it's like this. So now you want to flip it over and crease it to make it really sharp. So now what you want to do is want to unfold. Well, not unfold, I mean flip it over. And then you want to pinch right here. And then pinch. And then pinch. And then pinch. So it's like that. So you want to, so this is a kind of a hard part. You want to fold this part under right here. What's under, you want to kind of take this part right here and you want to put it inside this part. So you want to put it inside, slide this part up into it, and slide it into it like this and push. So it's kind of like this. So now what you want to do is you want to take this, so when you did it, you want to make sure this layer is on top of this layer. So next is you want to take the part, so see this part where there's two flaps? You want to rotate to the left, and then you want to pinch right over here, and you want to kind of push that down. So it's like that. Okay, now you want to repeat on this side. So you want to flip it over and do it to this part. So it's like this. Now you want to rotate, and then you want to flatten this part down. So it's like this, right? And you want to tuck this part into this pocket right there, okay? So you want to kind of curve it first, if you're like that. I'm gonna make it closer. So it's curved, right? And then you want to place it into this pocket right over there. So it's like that. Place it into the pocket. And you kind of want to use your nails and like push it with your nails. So right here I'm using my nail and pushing it while I'm pinching this part. So it's like that. So one inside over here. Now you want to repeat the exact same thing right over here. So curl it up. And you want to place it into this part first. Then you want to use your nail and kind of like push it in. And push it in. Push it in. So it's like that. Make sure to use your nail. I'm just going to push it out a little bit. So it's like this. Now you want to rotate. And you want to do the exact same thing. So you want to take 2 layers, and you want, instead of turning to the left, you want to turn to the right. And then now you want to pinch and make this part go down. So it's like that. Rotate and do the exact same thing. So right, like that. Just like that. Now you want to rotate again. You want to push this down on the existing crease, right? And you want to curl it up, just like you did before. Curl it up, right? And you want to stick it into this pocket right over there, okay? So you want to kind of open the pocket a little bit, and you want to kind of stick it into the pocket. It's like that, right? So now you want to use your nails, kind of like push it in, stuff it in. Well, not stuff it in, but use your nails, and now it's inside here. So now you want to repeat on this flap, and we're done. Let me do this part. So you want to open this part, stick it in, use your nails, so it's like this. So we have a seamless cube, no creases on each side, well, except for this part. Well, it's maybe not seamless, but at least we have a cube. And if we take one of our stands right over here and we place it on top, it will fit too. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!